Good day, everyone. Today, we will be presenting our HCI analysis of the CARI KERJA job board. We are going to break down how its design helps users, what makes it effective, and why it is a great example of user-centered design. We are Group 3, and my name is Narizam. I am excited to walk you through our presentation. We will start with a quote from Steve Jobs that perfectly captures our focus. Design is not just what it looks like and feel like. Design is how it works. That quote is the core of our analysis. We are going to show you how the CARI KERJA platform is designed to work for its user and how its main purpose is to help job seekers find the perfect match. We will walk you through the 7 core components of our project, starting with the user and their needs and concluding with the conclusion. So, let's start with the most important part of any system, that is the user. The primary user is the job seeker. We can break down the need into 2 categories. First, functional requirement, which is that they need to do is straightforward. They need to find a job, browse by categories, view job details, and get alert for new posting. Secondly, non-functional requirement, which is how the site must feel. It must be intuitive, clear, and efficient. Most importantly, it has to be trustworthy. A job search is a high-stake activity, and the user must feel the platform is credible. So, what is the system? It is a web-based job board. It solves the problem of having a look for job in many different places. Our HCI focus is the traditional graphical user interface or GUI. We choose the GUI because it is the best tool for the job. Users need to read text, compare lists, and fill in forms. A standard interface is familiar and efficient for this task. This design is highly user-centered. This means it is built around the user main goal, finding a job. The layout is familiar. You see a big search bar at the top. That's the main task. Below that, you will see job cards that are easy to scan and browse. This simple design means users don't have to learn the site. They just can use it. The controls are simple buttons and text fields, so it is very intuitive. Okay, I will give my friend Aiman Aizat to explain about challenges and motivational features.
Good everyone, my name is Aiman and I will show you a comprehensive view of CARI KERJA job board. Next, we're moving on to the challenge and motivational features. A good design understands the challenge for job, which can be quite stressful. User face information overload and this lead to the black hole effect, where they apply and never hear back. CARI KERJA address this with the key motivational features. First one is social proof. By showing logos of popular tech companies, it builds credibility and trust. Second is proactive assistant. The Get Instant Alert feature is a perfect example. It is highly motivating because it shifts the burden from the user, who has to remember to search, to the system which actively notifies them. This reduces user anxiety. So we also can classify the system users into three groups: novice users, intermittent, and lastly is expert. So for the novice user, the current homepage is perfectly optimized for them. It is simple and guides them directly to the task. For intermittent users, they are passive seekers who might check in once a week, so the job alerts and latest news are keys for them. Last but not least is the expert users. These are active searchers who need advanced feature, which would likely be found behind a sign-in link, such as personal dashboard to search jobs and track application. The navigation itself is a simple hybrid model. You have a main menu at the top. You can navigate via search, and you can click down into categories. It is easy, it is simple, and user for sure will not get lost. Finally, to formalize this user flow, we conduct a hierarchical task analysis, also called HTA. So we broke down into two primary goals. The first one is find and evaluate jobs, and the second is subscribe to jobs alerts. Okay, so this analysis, which you can see in the full report, breakdowns every single step the user takes, from the initial choice of using the search bar to refining the result, to finally evaluating a job description and clicking apply. This HTA confirms the system provides a logical, simple, and efficient path for the user to achieve their goal, which is finding a job. So, in conclusion, the Cari Kerja job board is an excellent example of user-centered system. It is effectively address the core needs of its user by providing a clean, intuitive, and familiar interface. It builds trust and motivates users by reducing the inherent stress of the job process. So that's all from us, from Group 3. Thank you and have a great day ahead.